In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in MetaMask. First, let's begin by opening MetaMask. If you're using a mobile device, find the MetaMask app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on it to launch the app. If you are using a browser extension, look for the MetaMask icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the icon to open the extension. Once the app is open, you will see your wallet interface where you can manage your cryptocurrencies. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for all the changes you will make. Next, open the menu and select Settings. On a mobile device, this typically looks like three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tapping on this will reveal a list of options. If you are using the browser extension, click on the circle icon at the top right corner, which will also show you the Settings option. Once you have located Settings, tap or click on it. This action is important because it allows you to customize your experience in MetaMask. Now go to General. In the Settings menu, you will see several categories. Look for the one labeled General and select it. This section contains various options that you can adjust to tailor your MetaMask experience. By accessing General, you are diving deeper into the configurations that affect how you view and interact with your cryptocurrency. Find the Currency or Balance Display setting. In the General settings, scroll through the options until you see the Currency Display setting. This setting is where you can choose how you want your balance to appear. It's usually accompanied by a label or a drop-down menu. Understanding this setting is essential because it directly impacts how you perceive your assets and their value in your preferred currency. Select Fiat to display your balance in your selected currency, or Native to display it in crypto such as ETH. Here you will make a choice that suits your needs. If you select Fiat, your balance will appear in traditional currencies like dollars, euros, or others based on your selection. On the other hand, choosing Native will show your balance in the cryptocurrencies you hold. This distinction is important because it allows you to engage with your assets in a way that makes the most sense for you. With that ready, you may notice that the balance on your main screen updates immediately. This confirmation shows that your changes have taken effect. It's always reassuring to see your selections reflected right away. Adjusting how you view your balance can significantly streamline your experience, especially when tracking your investments or expenditures. Once you have made your selection, you can exit the Settings menu. If you are on mobile, simply tap the back button, or if you are using a browser, just click on the X or close the Settings tab. This step is straightforward but important as it takes you back to your wallet interface where you can now see your balance displayed as you have configured it. In conclusion, changing the currency display in MetaMask is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your experience. By following these steps, you can easily visualize your assets in a manner that is most meaningful to you. Whether you prefer to see your balance in fiat or native currency, you now have the tools to customize MetaMask to fit your needs. Thank you for watching and happy transacting.